And my age is 28 years. I'm mechanical engineer, and as a professional I'm doing the technical writing for all the manuals. And I had a injury 3 or 4 years ago, when I'm playing a cricket. My ligament get injured, but I did not went for the surgery. But after 3 years, again that incident is happened, and my ligament is injured, and then I went for the MRI, and then I able to know that my ACL is torn, and with that my meniscus is also damaged. So I went to the Tanmay sir, and he suggested that I required to do the surgery for this particular ACL and meniscus. So on 11th of February, I had a surgery, and the surgery is quite good. And how the Tanmay sir treated me, and then how they explained me, it was very good. And after the surgery, the main thing, today I completed the 3 month, and in this 3 month, most important thing is that all the follow-ups that they are taking, I'm living in the outstation, so I'm not used to come to the clinic and for the physiotherapist, but they are reaching out me through WhatsApp. Every 3 to 4 days they are asking me for the video, how my progress, how I am going on. So overall very good experience, and after the 3 month I'm successfully able to do the jogging, skipping, and the squats and all of other things. So yeah, I'll demonstrate you. So squats, jogging, skipping,